Hello students, I am Sanjay Misra, present here again with my one more video on a joint of a matrix. And here I will tell you what will be the shortcut method of the evaluation to get adjoint of a matrix. Sometimes what happens when you go for questions of G mains and G advanced, so you need a very speedy method of its calculation. So I will take two examples here, one of matrix of order 2 and another of matrix of order 3. So this is one example of matrix of order 2. Okay, so I will explain what will be the adjoint in just one step. Adjoint will be just you interchange these elements. They are called diagonal elements and these are called non-diagonal elements. Okay, so interchange the places of diagonal elements. This is the first step, means you should write -6 here in place of 2, -6, and in place of -6 you write 2. And then put minus, change the sign of these two elements. If it is plus, then write down minus, and if it is minus, write down plus. So this is the adjoint. Okay, so what are the steps? First step, interchange the diagonal elements. And second, change the sign of, change the sign of non-diagonal elements. So the same you find here, so it is a matter of just 1 minute. So this is how we get adjoint of a matrix of order 2 in shortcut method. Now taken one question of order 3, we have to find the adjoint of this matrix by shortcut method. So what is the method? I am just explaining and just you can note down. First you write the given matrix as it is given in the question, 1 2 -2 -1 3 0 and then 2 5 1. Okay, this is the given matrix. Now what we do, this is column 1 and this is column 2. We are going to repeat these two columns here. So the next column, that is column number 4, will be 1 2 -2. Okay, and again this also -1 3 0. Okay, so these two columns we have repeated. Now this is the new structure. Now we'll take this one as row 1 and row 2. We are going to repeat these two sequentially. First this one and this one below the third row. So that means row 1 will be written here with all its 5 elements. Then this will come here, 2 3 5 2 3. Okay, so I repeat, you have to repeat column 1 and column 2 here, and then these two rows should be also repeated. Okay, let us verify. 2 3 5 2 3. Okay, now I am writing the answer straight. Adjoint A. Straight way we are going to write. So what we'll be doing here, we'll cancel this row 1 and column 1. So we are left with a matrix of size 4 by 4. Okay, order 4 by 4. Now we are going to calculate in this way. First we'll multiply these two minus these two. So 3 minus 0 is 3 here. We are doing this operation column wise, but result will write down row wise. Result should be written row wise. Okay, because adjoint is concerned with the transpose. Similarly, this into this is 0 and minus of 1. This is plus 1. That should be written here, sorry. Okay, then this, that is -5 and -6. Okay, so this stands for column operation. We are multiplying column wise but writing the result row wise. Now next I will take so there was mistake in calculation. This will be minus 5 minus 6, that is minus 11. Okay, now again we'll follow the same trend here. 5 into 2 minus 10, and then 2 into 1 minus 12, that we are going to write here. So this has been multiplied with this minus 2 into 1. Similarly, this will be multiplied with this 1 into 1, 1, and then plus 4, that is 5. This 1, this is 5. Then 2 into 2, 4 minus 5, that is minus 1. Now we'll be going to write these elements. 2 into 0 is 0, and then minus 2 into 3 minus 6, but before that we have one more minus, so that is plus 6. Then 2 minus 0, that is 2. So this we have done in this way. This multiplied with this minus this. Then 1 into 3, 3, and then plus 2, that is 5. So this is the shortcut method of getting adjoint of a matrix of order 3. Okay. So you must follow these operations. First we have to repeat these two columns here, then we have to repeat these two rows here, then leaving the first row and first column we have to omit these numbers, then we have to multiply the elements. Just we are doing with cofactors, this into this minus this into this. Calculation will be column wise, but we have to write the elements row wise. Okay, so this operation we have written in first row, these operations are written in the second row, these operations are written in the third row, and this is your answer. So it will take hardly 2-3 minutes. This is a shortcut method. Well students, this is the end of this video. Then I will come with next videos again on adjoint. So till that time you wait, and thank you for watching.